Okay, these are the skis to my 54-inch Comet Tailorcraft, and while flying in the snow, I hit a footprint and it cracked the ski completely in two right on along this joint right there, and completely in two. So I have this stuff. It's BobSmith IC 2000 rubberized CA glue. And so I put the crack joints together. First I put the glue, and then I bond them together. And I use some CA accelerator. And then when that's done, I sand it down, and I added a piece of carbon fiber veil on both sides, and then I matted that down with the CA by putting it on and using a credit card and squeegeeing it out like you were glassing. And when that's done, I sanded, and I put another bead, overlapping bead there, and another one here. And I sanded that down. Now this is 036 plastic. You can see it's not built up by much. It's pretty flush with the surface a little bit. And let's see how she does. So I think it should handle the snow and the ruts pretty good. So you can get an idea how much bend I'm putting on that. See that? Remember, it was cracked right there. Look how much pressure I'm putting on it. If I had to guess, I would say that's about 10 pounds I'm putting on it. And once again, for the shock,